Hi, this is John. Welcome back again. When I introduced the 2026 version of Premiere Elements, I demonstrated how to make a split screen effect using the new transform tool. I'm going to repeat that again today, but then I'm going to go on to show you how to use the built-in presets for making a collage. I've got these three soccer related clips from Adobe Stock, and I've stacked them on tracks 1, 2 and 3. So let's have a look at what we can do. If I select the first one and choose the transform tool, you can see that I can start to position it as I want it directly in the project monitor. So this is much more intuitive. And again, the second one, I can just bring more of the people into the frame. And finally, the third one, choosing the transform tool and just resizing with, I don't want to rotate it, I want to drag the corner handles, something like that. And if I play it now, you can see we have this three-way split screen all produced with the transform tool. So I'm jumping now to the video editor again with a new project, and I've called this one, you can see at the top here, London Collage. And if I open the project assets panel, you can see I've already imported 4 London themed video, a couple of street videos, one of Tower Bridge on the River Thames and one of a London cop. So I'm going to use those 4 clips to create a collage showing you the quick method, having already demonstrated how to do things manually. So we now go to the top left here and choose the create menu and then select video collage, and this opens the templates. On the right hand side we have 2 buttons, and if I click the top one, that shows all the templates depending on how many videos we have. We're starting with 3, 4, 5, 6 and even 7. So I'm going to choose this first one, grid with 4 videos, and click apply, and that creates the placeholders ready to drag the videos into. This second button here gives me the type that I want. You can play one at a time, which I don't really like. I prefer to choose all together, and that plays all 4 videos simultaneously. So let's go to project assets and let's drag the first one in, and the second one I'm going to put down the bottom here, and the third one I'm going to put in this top right corner, and the cop can go in the bottom left. I don't want to open the source monitor. I want to drag this one into the placeholder. There it is. Let's close this down now. We've got them all in, and anyway, let's click on the preview button and see how it looks. And it opens this small player, and you can see them all playing simultaneously in the created automatic collage. I'm going to click on render because that will usually smooth things out when you come to export your video or save the project. And I just let it render. It does it quite quickly, and it's almost done. And we will then save the project. So let's just finish the rendering. Now we've finished. I'm going to click on cancel and save the project, and I'm going to save this under video project 4 this time, because I've already made some in the past, and click on save. And now I'm going to close this down, and what I can do is open that directly now into a new project, and we can bring that straight into the timeline. It'll be one complete clip, and then we can add some music if necessary, and save it to hard drive or as an MP4 file, or to social media. And it's this one here, the largest one, that I want, and I'm going to choose open. And let's bring it into the timeline, and there it is. So it's one complete clip. Let's just play it back a little bit just to make sure we've got the one that we want, and that's what we want. And let's add some music. So I'm going to click on the audio section, and I'm going to just bring in one that I use quite frequently. If I can find it. Afternoon Sun is the one that I want, so I'm going to just drag that onto audio 1, and I'm going to just move down the intensity a little bit and click the check, put a check mark in the box to fit it to the video, and then click done. Okay, let's kill that and close the music panel, and let's go to full screen now, and just click this full screen button here and play the clip with the music. And the music fades out nicely after fitting it to the video, and that's really it finished. That's how to make an automatic collage using one of the templates. So there you have two methods: how to do things manually if you prefer, or to do things using the automated method. Just a quickie today, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye for now.